Hey everyone, I'm Divvyam Arora, and today I'll be giving you all a brief introduction to my project LiveLog, which is a real-time optical attendance marking system. Before I begin, I would like to give a short introduction about myself. I am a high school senior from Gurgaon, and I'm very passionate about robotics and artificial intelligence. I want to mainly work towards projects that help improve my skills and also benefit society at the same time. A few acknowledgements. I'm really thankful to my mentors, Mr. Abhishek and Ms. Shivani from Clever, who helped me through this internship, my parents, Dr. Kahn from the University of Oxford, and the whole Clever team for making this internship possible. So, my internship journey so far has been very good. I got to learn a lot of new things which I hadn't even heard of before, and now I can confidently create apps with Python. I've learned many new things which will help me forever. So, the app introduction. My app is a real time attendance marking system which is made using Python. So, it basically marks your attendance based on pictures. And this app is very beneficial for large institutions because manual attendance taking systems are very cumbersome, and so this uses the latest artificial intelligence technology to automatically record attendance using cameras and also provides a comprehensive record of the attendance on a daily basis. So this is what the attendance marking system looks like. Before I demonstrate its working, I would like to go through my app development toolkit. So right here is the project requirements page. So in this page, I listed basically all my project requirements, and this is basically like a checklist. This is my event handlers matrix in which I write about the different elements of the projects, the action that they're supposed to do, and what happens when the command is initiated. So this is just to plan the whole project, and this is the test plan. So this was basically to test if all the parts of the project were working and had been tested properly. And as you can see, everything was working and has also been tested and kept. So now let's go through the app demonstration. So as I had shown you earlier, this is how my app looks, and it has two tabs. So one app which shows today's attendance, and a site to show and a site to add new user. So in the new user section, you can basically uh, enter details of a new students in case there's any. So you basically enter the name, roll number, and click the add new user option. When you click this, the system briefly takes about 50 images of the student and stores it in its database, which it uses for comparison later on. It's recommended to take your picture from different angles so that the protection becomes better. Now I'll show you a demonstration of the app taking my pictures. So I first enter my name, user ID. So I'm taking role number 1 and I'll press this option. So the camera opens and it starts taking my pictures. So as you can see, it automatically closes as it has collected my images, and now it shows total users in database 1 because there's only one entry. And now since I'm added to the user base, I can take my attendance. So as you take the attendance, it also shows a live record of the attendance with the ID and time registered. So I'll just press this option. So you can see that it recognizes me with my name and my roll number. So as you can see, it marks my attendance with my serial number, name, ID and time when I reloaded the page. So it's my attendance, and I'll also show you my original folder now. So this is the folder where attendance is stored, and this stores the attendance on a regular basis with the date. And so this is today's attendance. As you can see, it shows my name, roll number and time in the Excel sheet. So I hope you all liked my project. This is my GitHub release in case you want to check out my project on GitHub. Uh, I also posted an article on LinkedIn which talks about my project and how it works. Thank you so much. Here are the links for LinkedIn, GitHub, and my personal contact in case you have any queries. Thank you.